Hello and welcome to Mr. E's Watch Reviews. Today we've got another unboxing. This one from San Martin, and apparently I'm getting a little bit better treatment. Last time the shit took forever. This time around they hooked me up with the good shipping and the tracking was on point. From door to door, I knew where this thing was, and it was fast. Like really fast. So I would highly advise San Martin to start shipping the way they shipped to me this time to everybody every time. They did that, they would not have no problems. There would be nobody bitching about nothing. Alright, now, not sure how they got this sealed up in here. Trying to get in here just so I can get an idea of what I'm dealing with underneath of this. I don't want to cut into nothing and screw nothing up. Okay, that's cardboard, so that's good. We can just go ahead and go ham on this. The packaging this time, I also will say, is I'm sorry, damn it, how bad did I bump that? Packaging this time was much better than just an old shitty box. So, San Martin, good job. Much improved. Again, I cannot guarantee these results for everybody. I was fussing and I was fussing on my reviews, so. I'm not going to say that had anything to do with it, but it might have. I don't know. But they did offer to upgrade the shipping. This is not the normal AliExpress shipping. Like, this was the good stuff. God damn, boy. This unboxing being a pain in the dick. They were like, oh, you got jokes about how we boxed stuff last time? We show you. Oh. Okay. That's it. Damn it. Oh, it figures the lid is... that should be the lid right there. No, that's the lid. Okay. Fine. How about that? I know it's just cardboard underneath. I ain't got to worry about it. Oh, yeah. We'll get you open one way or the other. I'm like, damn, man, you struggling. Oh, that's why it's two separate boxes. Okay, so the plot thickens. Okay, here we go. So what's in here? Oh, come on, for flipping. What? Horror. Oh. Ooh. Alright. So I ordered me some new straps. I like that. That looks pretty good. Pop that out of there real quick. I don't know which one I might put this on, but that is right. Good looking leather. Got the spring bar already in there. Ready to roll. Hell yeah. Not sure when I want to put that on yet. I have to check with San Martin See if I ain't allowed to pass out the promo code that I got. Because it was a badass one. It got a nice little discount off. But the catch is you got to spend a lot of money. You got to spend like almost $900. But if you do, you get a big hefty discount. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, shit. Yeah. Why are you not wanting to focus, camera? The hell is your problem? Is the glare just that bad? I mean, damn. Let's move you up a little bit closer. That thing just already looks old. Oh, it's that dome sapphires making it. Is it domed? I can't tell. Yeah, it's domed. Man, I like that. Oh, daggone it. I just want to be able to play with the bezel. Let me unbox the other one. Oh, they done saran wrap the living shit out of this. Oh, here we go again. Oh. Oh. Man, what the fuck? Like, why is this thing not wanting to focus with the shit on this damn watch? What the fuck, man? There we go. I don't know what the hell my camera's problem is being tonight. It's just showing its ass for no good reason. But let's see. Let's try and slide over a little bit this way so the glare is maybe not so bad. Oh, good Lord. I'm getting glare from every which way. But this is the San Martin Pepsi GMT, the old vintage style. It's got a printed dial. Let's see. Looks like it's matte black. Everything on this has got the little faux patina. It does actually look pretty old school. Like, it really does. You got the Jubilee bracelet. I like how it's got just the plain brushed sides there. Let's see, is it just bi-directional? Oh, it is. Not bad. It's a little tight. Which I guess is good because, you know, you lock in nice and tight. You definitely ain't going to bump this one. That is for sure. Because I guess it's just because the way the bezel is so close to the case on this one, it's hard to grip it. Like, this is tough to grip. It's like a low rider. It's sitting real low. Yeah. I mean, it feels good and all. The teeth, I mean, the teeth are pretty pronounced. I mean, I guess if you grabbed it here on the sides, yeah, okay. If you grab it there, it's fine. If you try and grab it here, it sucks. But there, because the bezel actually overextends the case, or extends over the case just a little bit. Let's say it lines up nice. Looks like it lines up real good. All right. Let's see. All the finishing down here looks good. The fit to the case of the bracelet's pretty good. It's got a nice weight to it. Got their standard double pusher clasp, which I do like. You know, again, same thing as I keep always saying. Really wish it had some kind of glide lock system, but with this Jubilee bracelet, it should be workable at one way or the other. Shouldn't be no big deal. I am really starting to dig the Jubilees more and more. All right, so because this is an unboxing, we're not going to do a full review. I still got another watch I got to open up here. I want to just throw this thing on a scale, give you guys some brief measurements, and then y'all have to check back later for the review after a week. Which, unfortunately, it's going to be a little longer than a week before y'all see the review, because this bitch has got to get in line with everything else. I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to review here right now. Damn it. All right, so it weighs in at 145.5. I have not sized that one up, so that's just how it comes, is 145.5. I'm going to slip it on my wrist real quick. I'm wearing the Jeannot Silent Service right now. I know this is already going to be way too big, but we're just going to slip it on just to see how it looks. I like it. Yeah. Sorry, had a doggy hair on it. I could see it in the camera. But I like it. I mean, that matte black dial definitely looks like it's just kind of faded, like it's seen better days. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. There's like no cracks or nothing in it, obviously, like you would on a real old one. I do like the painted, or the painted on indices. That's kind of cool instead of having the applied ones. I do really prefer the applied ones, but I believe this is a sapphire bezel here. It's either sapphire or ceramic. I had to double check. I had to look on the website again. But I really like that because it does have a nice vintage look, but it is very similar to the sapphire bezel on this Jeannot. Very, very similar looking, kind of close. But yes, I like this. I like that brushed sides with the little polished edge there. This is very sharp looking. All right, moving on. Like I said, we'll come back another day and do the review. Oh shit, I'm here. All right. I can hear y'all in the background. The sizes. All right. 48.3 low tip to lub tip. 13 thick. 20 in there. The bracelet goes from 19.5 down to a 15.8. Nice milled clasp, which measures out at 18.1. So, basic measurements. We'll get back to you on everything else, like the Lume and all that kind of stuff. Because if I'm not mistaken, well, shit, I think I can give you all a quick Lume shot on that. Hang on. All right, ready? Go. Oh, yeah. Now that's some pretty bright Lume. I like that. That popped immediately. Nice and bright. Hopefully that'll last as long as the other printed dials that I have from San Martin. They all seem to last right decent. At least over the 20-minute mark when I videotaped them. All right. So not too bad, not too bad. Oh, where the hell's the light switch? There we go. Okay, so with all that being said, let's put the cap back on that one. Let's open this one up real fast. Dun, 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 dun. Daggone it, man. I bet you they are laughing their asses off when they watch this one. They're gonna be like, oh, you ain't gonna talk about our packaging this time, are you? Everything this time came hunky-dory, super speedy, A-OK. Again, I am actually waiting for one more watch. Now this one y'all are gonna kind of recognize. You're like, hey, haven't we seen this one kind of before? Kinda, but not really. I haven't done the review on this one yet, but this is the titanium version. I got this one from my dad. He was complaining his old POS Invicta that I got him last year for Christmas, that the Lume just sucked. And I'm like, well, I'm sorry, Dad. I had just started getting into watches, and I knew everything else was pretty decent on the watch. I did not realize that the Lume was as bad as it was till after I got it. And then it was already too late. But I mean, again, very nice watches. I like them. Just, if you need to glow in the dark, like really, really need to glow in the dark stuff, it's not the watch for you. Yeah. Again, San Martin. I mean, with these leather bracelets, like that isn't very. It's the stitching looks good, feels nice. It's pliable, you know. But this titanium case here, man, that thing looks good as hell. You get the sticker off the back. Say, damn sticker sticks up so bad it feels like it's a sharp edge. Actually, now I like this case back, but I don't know if y'all can see it here in the camera or not. But there is a friggin' lip on this bad boy. And there's a sharp edge right here at the transition point. Y'all can actually see it. Like I can see it on the camera there. Is that, or is there another sticker on this thing? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's raised enough that I can catch my fingernail on it. Yeah, I don't remember this one being like that. I guess this one's like that too. Just the edge isn't quite as jagged or rough, so it isn't as noticeable. So this one here, let's see. This one comes in at, what is it, 20 mil in between the lugs. 46.9 north to south. Hold on, I don't know if I'm on the actual. There we go. What does that say? 47. I think it's like extra 48. Yeah, 48 and a half. What was that? 12.2. Holy crap. Then she's skinny. This has got the YN55A movement in it. The same thing with the bronze one. These movements seem to work quite well. You know, it popped right out. That's a little loud considering I'm at full arm's length. Like my arms are all the way extended. And I can clearly hear that thing getting wound up. Holy shit. Scooby Shush. That is making movies. Or TV show or YouTube or whatever the hell you want to call it. Alright. It is 9, 10. And see, like one of the cool things that I really like about this watch is that you have the hours on the inside, which the little hour hand points directly to and stops right above. And then you have the minutes on the outside track. It does have a screw down crown. I believe it has 100 meters water resistance, not like you'd really go swimming with a leather strap, but you could if you absolutely had to. Because this is a pilot's watch. And again, let's hit you with some of that good luminescence. Booyah. Man, that stuff glows good. And I actually ran the test on this. After 20 minutes, you can clearly see it visibly, no problems. The camera has a little bit of a hard time picking it up. But yeah, to the naked eye, you could totally see it, no problem. At least on the bronze one, and since this is the exact same dial, I would imagine this is no different. Let's turn the light back on. So, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah. I need y'all to subscribe, please. Like the video. And if you're planning on going to AliExpress and buying anything, please click the link down below in the description. And that's all you got to do. If you just do that and go do your shopping like you were planning on doing, I'll get hooked up. Basically, I'm not trying to sell nothing for anybody specific or anything like that, but if I can get you guys to go to AliExpress and do any of your shopping on any products whatsoever, I can earn a commission. It's that easy. And basically, it's not going to cost y'all nothing. It doesn't cost me nothing. Essentially, you're helping support the channel. I'm earning my money because I'm, plugging them real quick. And like I said, it's not even to plug the Santa Martin store or the Chrono store or anybody else. The links that I do put up typically do take you to the store related to the watch that you were just viewing, because, to me, that just makes the most sense. But once you get into AliExpress, you can just click the little AliExpress logo up in the corner and it'll take you to the main menu. If that's not what you were there to go shopping for, if you're not shopping for watches. But yeah, the links that I put up take you directly to the Chrono store, the San Martin store, the L'Oreal store, the Time Watch Code store, where you can get the customized watches. Where else? I'm trying to think. But at any rate, click the links, buy some stuff. Hook me up. I appreciate it. Thank everybody for watching and everything like that, and for all the support. Y'all are the best. I will be reviewing these shortly, but before I do, I've got to finish wearing and using my 2 other Pilot's watches from the last batch, and I've got to get the other 3 watches of Marion's done, because he was good enough to loan me 4 watches. So, at any rate, I really appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again. Check you later. Bye.